Hey guys, wagwan, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna work on this Dodge Charger, and it's basically the same procedure for even for the older one. This is a 2019 or 18, and we're gonna change what we're gonna change on it is gonna be the tire at end, the inner tire at end. As you can see, it bent because they run off the road and they hit some stuff and they here. So this look like it been replaced. This truck look like it been replaced. This one also. So I'm just gonna go ahead and it's about to rain, so I'm gonna go ahead and replace this. I'll show you guys how to replace your inner tire then. It's not that hard. So first thing first, we're gonna remove the tire. So let's go ahead and remove the tire. So you can use your lug tool or 22 socket, link will be in the description. So let's remove the wheel. And it's also the same thing for the Chrysler 300. It's basically the same car. So we're gonna go ahead and remove the wheel. Alright. And that's gonna give us more room to work. So after we do all that, guys, we just need to go down and subscribe to the channel. Let's grow this channel together. Please like, comment also, and share. So we're gonna remove this nut right here. We're gonna loosen it up first so we can take off the tire then. So before we do all that, we're just gonna take this loose right here. So it turned out to be 24mm. Link will be in the description for the tools. And you want to go counterclockwise. Once you go counterclockwise, you just want to get it from not touching the outer tire at end. In some country, I know they call this rocking, like in Jamaica where I come from, rocking, and this is tire at end. But over here in the US, they call the whole thing a tire at end. They have inner tire at end, outer tire at end, and we changing the inner tire at end. So let's go ahead and just give this some space between there. That's good. Now it's time to take this off. We're gonna find what fit here, and I will let you know also. So I double check, and it's gonna be it's gonna be 21mm. I guess they run off the road really hard because I can see some damage to the subframe. You can see this right here, but just putting it so they can, until they have the money to do the subframe, they can go ahead and do it. But it should be fine driving around like this. As long as it can get alignment, and then they be all right. So we're gonna need a hammer to knock right here to get this to come down and get loose. So this is me checking it to make sure it come down. It didn't, so I knocked it some more, and you see it come down. So I can just go like this. And now we can just take this off like this. So while that's coming off, I show them this, but they still don't want to fix it. they want the cheapest way out, and it's, you can't blame them because, you know, Corona going out. So let's go around, let's take the boot off. We're gonna need a pliers for that, so let's do that. So the next step is to take the boot off. So we have one clip right here, and that clip down there we gotta take off. Alright, so that part is good. That one we're gonna have to damage the clip to take it off. I don't know if you can see it, but right there I gotta put this right here and knock it so it can come off. Once you do that, you will see it come down like this, and you'll see this. You can pull the boot off. It's still tight, but just hold it and pull on it. So this is it right here. I'm gonna take it off from right here. Alright guys, so there's two ways to remove the tire. You can use a tool like this. So let me get the new tire to just demonstrate. So we have the inner tire right here. This is the new one, and in case you are wondering, the parts number is right there. So if you want to get it, you can get the part number from here. Alright, that's out the way. The next step is to get the fittings for this. So you will get the fittings for this, and you will put it on like this. And this fitting that it take is like 17-16, 1-7/16. Alright, so that's what it used. And then you would put this over it to get it inside, to get this in here, and then you would lock it, and then you can put a wrench on this side at the end. It would be like this, for example, then you put a wrench and then you would turn it and it will take it up. So the next thing we can do is get the pipe wrench, and this is what I'm talking about, whatever you guys call it. I call it a pipe wrench. I'm just gonna get this like this, adjust it to it, put it on it, and we're gonna go counterclockwise. So I'm gonna go counterclockwise, just like that, and it should take it loose. So yeah, take it loose. And also let's try to take we're gonna need the boot because the new one didn't come with a boot. So we're gonna have to take off this nut right here. We're gonna take off this nut right here. I believe it was 24mm. Yes, it is. So we're gonna take it off. Okay. Alright guys, so I like to put lock washer on it. Not lock washer, tread lock on it, but the dealer didn't put any on it, so I'm not gonna put any on it. As you can see, no tread lock was in the hole. They just screw it in and tighten it up. So that's how it comes. That's how I'm gonna do it. Let's go ahead and put this in. Okay. So you just want to go ahead and tighten this up. You can use the same tool you use to take it off, or you can use the correct tool to tighten it up. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and put this on. And it'll just snap right into place. So that's good right there. You can get this nut that come with it and just screw it on. Oh, before you do that, we need to put on the clamps. So you're gonna need a new clamp like this to put it on. But how you put this on, you're gonna lock these in the grooves and then get a pliers and crimp right here. So I'm gonna order the clamp, but I'm not gonna wait to finish put it up because I can always just put it on. So I'm gonna put this clamp right here, order the clamp for this, and it's very easy to put it on, so you guys can do that and just put on the tire then. Alright guys, so I had to take this back off, the nut. Don't be like me, make sure you put this on here, and also do not hold it like this and squeeze it then put it on. Put it on here first, then you can squeeze it, so in case it slips, it's still gonna be on here and not all over the place. Go ahead and catch your nut. You don't have to worry about too much of the alignment because you're never gonna get it straight enough, but get it straight enough where you can drive it to the alignment shop, so you don't have to tow it. Oh, I surprised myself. Look at this. I put it on and it's perfectly straight, but not perfect straight, but it's straight. And you can see the other wheel is straight also. So that's crazy, but what I'm gonna do is just tighten up everything, put this back, tighten this up, and also tighten this to here, and then I'm gonna send it to the alignment shop to get aligned. So that's good guys. Let's tighten that up and put the wheel on. So this is what we have so far. That's tightened. This is tightened. That is also tightened on the inside there, and we have this. We're waiting for the clamp for that, but we're not going to let that all out the video because clamp is not that hard to put on. And guys, let's go ahead, subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna put the tire on, and I don't think you need me for that, so peace out. See you next time. Like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel, support the channel. See you next time.